Everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do a tutorial on how to make this gift box treat box. It's really easy and we are using a few dies. I'll link them in the description box below if you're interested. We're using this tag set. It comes with 2 pieces, and I'm also going to use this little bow. Okay. So I've already took the liberty of cutting out the pieces, so I'm just going to glue one of them on so you just have an idea of how it goes. Now there is a little die that cuts a hole in this portion if you wanted to put a little handle on it. If you wanted to, it's really up to you. I did not put a handle on that. But if you want to cut a hole in this, you can. But I did not. Or if you want your handle going across, it's up to you. These are just little tiny bags that you can do as party favors. But I'm just going to glue this on so you know how the tags layer. So you would want a solid piece and a pattern paper that really makes it pop. Really cute. Okay. So I have my 2 tags like this, and then I have my bow already put together, and that's how the bow looks. You can leave it solid if you like, or you can layer it like I have. Okay, so now we're going to move on to how to make this into the treat box. You will need a strip of cardstock cut at 9 inches by 2 inches. You will need some tape and a scoreboard. And I'll show you where to score. Now you'll need some scissors because you'll need to make some cuts too. So I'm going to bring out my scoreboard. It's a Martha Stewart board like this. So my little tool. So what you'll do, I'm going to flip this over, is score it at the 3-inch mark and at the 6-inch mark. Okay, then you will turn it on its side and score it right here, and it's going to be a 1/4 of an inch, so you want to score it right at the 1 3/4 of an inch. So it's just a 1/4 of an inch long all the way down the strip, and then you just want to flip it and then score it again right at that mark again, and that's all you do. Okay, and then we're going to make some cuts with our scissors, and all you need to do is look at these score lines right here and make a snip up to that line. And then do it on the other side. Then you want to just cut off this side and this side. Like that. And so we're going to fold our creases. And then we're going to add some tape. And that's all you do. Okay, I'm going to get my tape out and just go and add the tape along, and you want to add tape all the way to the end. Okay, so now we're going to bring our tags back, and we're going to adhere this strip all the way on, like we're going to put it on the edge. We're going to allow it, see if you can see on this box, it's not at the very bottom. So that's how we're going to apply this one. And it's going to be that way for the sides as well. So I'm going to stick this on here like this. And the same thing for this one. So it's going to sit upright like that. Okay. Then we're going to take off the strips for the other pieces. And this is where you'll need your bone folder to press everything down. Okay, so we're going to lift this up, fold it out, and press this one down like this, and make sure it's along the edge. And this one, you want to make sure that this one's in along the edge. Okay. And then we're going to lay this one down and then get our bone folder and go in and press this down like so on both sides. So it's like that. So then we're going to take this side and match it up and press that down, and then go on this side, line it up and press this one down, lay it down, take your bone folder and go all the way to the corners and press it in, and then go on this side and press it in, so that when you are checking it, it's all put together. And then there's your treat box. It's all put together. And it's ready for you to put some goodies on the inside. Then have my glue ready to put on the bow. So I'm just going to do that. And put it right underneath the little bow, the little heart. And you can put more embellishments on there if you like. It's really up to you. So that is how you make the treat box. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Here's the other one where you can put some shreds on the inside. I did put this on the back. Like if you want to put a pocket on the back, it's really up to you. You can make this into a pocket. Actually, I just attached this with some foam. I didn't make a pocket, but this would make a really neat pocket on the back if you want to put some little die cuts on the back or a little message or something. But I just put the best friends are crafters like you, and you can put some little chocolates or something on the inside, and there you go. So I hope you found this video helpful, and that's how you make the little treat box. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.